The Live Load Floor interactive calculator helps engineers quickly determine floor loading capacities and structural requirements for various design scenarios. This calculator features a calculation mode dropdown with 6 options: calculate total floor load, calculate maximum floor area, calculate required beam spacing, calculate point load capacity, calculate distributed load per area, and calculate joist load capacity. For this demonstration, I'm using calculate total floor load. The input fields include live load in PSF, dead load in PSF, floor length and floor width in feet, maximum capacity in pounds, beam length in feet, beam capacity in pounds, point load in pounds, load distribution area in square feet, total load in pounds, joist spacing in inches, and joist span in feet. Let's work through an example. I'll enter live load 40 PSF, dead load 15 PSF, floor length 20 feet, floor width 15 feet, and maximum capacity 25,000 pounds. After clicking calculate, the primary result shows 16,500 pounds total floor load. The floor area calculates to 300 square feet, and the combined load equals 55 PSF, which represents the sum of live and dead loads per square foot. This tool streamlines structural load calculations for floor systems. Find the link in the description below.